Okay, let's go. Yes.
Okay? Ready kaya?
Dito ka, boss. Dito ka na. Okay. Ano tayo po? Yan, okay.
Okay, Mayor, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Ano po ito mga drone na to, Mayor, na pinakita niyo sa amin?
Ito ay in line with our preparation for future important data management or efficient management ng City of Manila. Ito ay patungkol sa mga geografiya, bagong development, at saka pag may aberya, magagamit natin to. Hopefully, wag mangyari in the big one. So, tapos yung regular big activities sa lungsod. Tapos, magagamit din natin to, makakatulong to sa mga negosyante na maaari mag-invest sa Manila. Sa mamamayan, definitely, sa pagpaplano ng gastusin ng lungsod sa iba't ibang bahagi, whether creating more open green space and all other things, no? The mathematics of or economic movement ng Manila magagamit natin because this type of drone is industrial level wherein it is powered by AI.
Okay.
No? At kahapon kasama namin kayo na nag-groundbreaking na tayo sa MDRRMO Data Management Building. Kung saan talaga isa sa nakita ko sa matatagumpay na bansa o syudad ay yung proper management of available data. Kasi that can drive savings, that can drive efficiency in expenditures, and surgical addressing problems and all other things. Tapos, this can be also accessed by the private sector, lalo na yung mga namumuhunan sa lungsod ng Maynila. Property development, business development, opportunity for them to sell their goods and all other things. Napakalawak. With these machineries that we invested, we are now investing for the future of the city.
Mayor, is this the first time na nagkaroon tayo nito? At tatlong
First time.
drone, ano po yung mga function ng bawat isa?
Yung pinakamalaki, yun yung minamapping natin regularly Manila. The other one is with heat map capabilities.
Okay.
The other one is communication and rescue operation. So iba-iba ang level and purpose nila. But the good thing about technology nowadays, it's available. All we have to do is to tap it and use it for public service. Whether economic growth, safety ng tao, saka yung isa dyan, medyo kakabahan yung mga kriminal sa Maynila. Kasi in a good day, we can just fly the drone and randomly inspect population. With the facial recognition technology, baka makita namin yung mga may sala o gumawa ng masama sa kapwa at patuloy na nakikihalubilo sa normal na komunidad. In a given day, pag nadaanan sila ng drone at nakilala sila ng sistema, we can inform the police that this Juan de la Cruz is suspect of a murder, is walking around Top Avenue or maybe outside of a school. We can alert and help the Manila Police District and other enforcement agency. Plus the regular traffic updates.
Crowd estimate, Mayor.
Crowd estimate.
Sa mga big events,
At saka yung crowd estimate, baka hindi na masyadong magagamit yung estimate na word. Kasi baka magkaroon na ng
accurate crowd count.
more or less 99% of crowd count. Para malaking bagay kasi rin yun dahil for future reference at sa mga paghahanda.
May public address system rin yung isa.
Nakita mo isa, ang taas, no?
Oo.
Kahit na ilang metro sa taas, naririnig sa baba.
Oo.
Halimbawa, kung meron kayo pa-public address in a given challenging events, it may put order in the situation. We're very excited for the people of Manila.
For the coming events din to, Mayor.
At saka future development and planning. So, with proper data, we can efficiently spend money of taxpayers' money, hopefully. And with proper data, we can have also proper planning for future growth ng city.
Ilan po operator nito, Mayor?
Ang malilisensyahan as per MDRRMO, maka-6.
Okay.
At baka 20 naman ang ititrain. Under MDRRMO pa rin.